Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see connect GCP account to Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Onboarding the GCP account into Microsoft Defender for Cloud would integrate GCP Security Command and Defender for Cloud. Defender for Cloud will thus provide visibility and protection across both of these cloud environments to provide the detection of security. It would have a single view showing Defender for Cloud recommendations and GCP Security Command Center findings. Incorporation of the GCP resources into Defender for Cloud's secure score calculations. Integration of GCP Security Command Center recommendation based on the CIS standard into the Defender for Cloud's regulatory compliance dashboard. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. So like you're seeing the screenshot of Microsoft Defender for Cloud on the Azure portal, and I have not connected any other account other than Azure, which is AWS or GCP. So you will see the recommendations or no other projects here. But if I would have connected my GCP accounts, I would have seen the GCP accounts or AWS accounts and the number of accounts that I've connected to this my Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So there are some steps that you need to follow to create your GCP Cloud connector. So I'm going to pull up my text box, okay, and list down the step. So now you first of all you have to set up the GCP Security Command Center. Alright, and to do that you have to enable the Security Health Analytics. Okay, and then you have to verify that there's data flowing to the Security Command Center. So the instructions for connecting the GCP environment for security configuration, you have to follow the Google's recommendation for consuming security configuration recommendations. Alright, so when you first enable Security Health Analytics, it might take several hours for the data to be available. How you will enable the GCP Security Command Center API? Okay, you have to go to the Google Cloud Console, GCP Console. Here you have to check the API library. Okay, and then select the project you want to connect to Azure Security Center. In the API library, find and select Security Command Center API, which is Security API, and you have to enable that API. So on that API page, click on Enable. You have to create a dedicated service account. Okay, for the security configuration integration in the GCP console, you have to select the project you want to connect to the Security Center, and make sure that under IAM you create a service account. Okay, then enter the name, you click on create, specify the role as Security Center Admin Viewer, and then grant user access to this service account. If there is an option present, select it. Copy the email value of the created service account and save it for the later use. Okay, and then under IAM and admin options, under select IAM, switch to the organizational level and select add. So I am logged on to my GCP console, right, and I've selected the project. If you just log on to your GCP, and when you do it, you click on API Manager, find it here, enter it, you will come to the API libraries on your GCP console. Okay, and then find the security command center API. Okay, here it is. And if you want to enable it, just click enable it to enable this API. Okay, and the service account option, what you have to do here is go back, go to the home screen, you go to the IAM and admin option. Give it a few seconds to load. Alright, so principal, roles, identity and organization you see here, right? You look for service accounts, here it is. Create a service account from here. You give the account name, service account ID, the email description. Grant the service account access to project. This is optional and you can click on here to complete it, but I would suggest you to go with this. Okay, and then specify the role as security center admin viewer. Same way you have to create a private key for the dedicated service account. When your service account is created, just go to the properties, click on edit and then select add key and then create a new key. Make sure that you create the private key under the create private key screen option. Select the JSON and then select create. Okay, now after this is done, you have to connect your GCP to Defender for Cloud. Okay, for this, go to your Microsoft Defender for Cloud option, and when you click on getting started, same way we did for AWS, you can do for GCP. Okay, add environment, you click on Google Cloud Platform, select the mention the name of the connector, choose the subscription. In the organization ID field, enter your organization ID. In the private key file box, browse to the JSON that you downloaded for your service account when you enable the private key for that, and you will get the confirmation after this is done and after you have successfully created the connector and GCP security command center has been configured properly. Alright, then you will see the recommendations for your GCP resources will appear in the security center portal and the regulatory compliance dashboard after maybe 10-15 minutes. Okay, so this is how you will complete the process of connecting your GCP environment to your Microsoft Defender for Cloud. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.